Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sketchup on your phone. First, download the official Sketchup Viewer app from your device's App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Make sure your phone or tablet meets the minimum system requirements for optimal performance. Once installed, simply log in using your Trimble ID to seamlessly access all your cloud-stored Sketchup projects. This allows you to view and share your designs anywhere, anytime, with ease. Navigating your three-dimensional models on your phone is incredibly intuitive. You can use simple multi-touch gestures to explore your designs. Pinch your fingers together or spread them apart to zoom in and out, getting a closer look at fine details or a broader overview. Use 2 fingers to pan across the screen, shifting your view smoothly. Orbiting is also easy with a single finger, allowing you to rotate around your model. The Sketchup Viewer app offers powerful viewing and sharing capabilities. You can toggle different model views, such as X-ray mode to see through objects or section planes to reveal interior details. It's also simple to take precise measurements directly on your model, ensuring accuracy on the go. When you're ready, share your designs effortlessly with colleagues or clients by generating a shareable link, fostering seamless collaboration. While incredibly useful, remember the mobile app is primarily designed for viewing and presenting, not for extensive three-dimensional modeling or complex editing. For optimal performance, it's best to optimize larger models on your desktop computer before viewing them on your phone. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection to reliably access your cloud-stored projects and collaborate effectively with your team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.